In today's video, I want to show you how lipstick is looking under microscope. As you can see, this is a portion of the lipstick has been placed on slides and has been covered, then placed under microscope. Illumination light has been turned on, trying to adjust the lenses or the eyepiece. So now it's trying to look at the lipstick directly on microscope. So these are the things that are found under 440 times magnification. So look at this structure, look at these organisms that are found in lipstick. See, 100 magnification. Look at what is the organism has been magnified 100 times. So under 400, look at it very clear. I don't know how to describe this organism. Are they worms or are they, I don't know. So these are the kind of things, organisms, bacteria, living things that are found inside the lipstick that most women are putting in. So please and please, ladies, this video is mainly for you. Try to know the kind of lipstick you people are putting on your lips, because it's not every lipstick that is well safe to your health, well safe to your body systems. Some lipstick can endanger your lips. Some lipstick can even introduce some of the bacteria inside your body system. You end up having disease condition that you might not know where it's coming from. No wonder these days you begin to have problems. People begin to have unidentified problem that you cannot say this is the root or these are the root. So please and please, these are the common things that we do invite them to our body systems without knowing that in one way or the other they can endanger our life. Please and please, my sisters, try to know the kind of lipstick you people are going to put. If you are first coming to my channel, remember to subscribe and share this video. Please share this video in order for other ladies to be aware of this kind of situation, and you also help them to avoid any any health related disease that has to do with the lipstick. Remember to give me your comment or to subscribe and assist in the growing of this YouTube channel. If you are watching this video from YouTube channel, subscribe. If you are watching it from my Facebook page, try and give me a follow. Remember, your health is your wealth. Thank you for watching. Bye.